So by the way guys, no, for those who are looking to see what it looks like watching live trading, so we're going to have an upcoming event this December 17 sa 30th Ayala. So magkakaroon po tayo ng trading competition. So doon mapapanood nyo guys kung paano talaga mag-execute yung mga trader, mag-open ng position, mag-cut loss. So etong event na to, this is for traders na you really want to see what it looks like. Ano ba yung itsura ng career ng trading? Kung gusto mo maging career itong trading na to para makita mo rin kung paano ba talaga siya ginagawa. Then our event December 17 is for you. So I invite you guys. Hopefully makapunta kayo dahil you will be part of history and makikita nyo rin kung ano ba talaga yung itsura ng trading on a different perspective ng gumagamit ng trend line, perspective ng gumagamit ng indicators, perspective ng gumagamit ng naked chart, yung tipong price action lang. Makikita rin kayo ng strategy or execution na gumagamit ng Elliott wave. So iba-iba and makikita nyo rin kung sino yung disiplinado or kung mapapansin nyo kung kinakabahan ba siya. So marami kang matututunan that you could also apply in your own trading journey. Maybe siguro mas shortcut mo rin yung journey mo once na nakita mo na kung paano ba talaga siya nangyayari.